My name is Gary Branch, the CEO of New Gen Wealth Solutions, and here goes some real results. I'm showing you my own personal stuff here right now. Check it out. If you are tired of paying high insurance rates because of you had a bunch of accidents in the past, or maybe you had a bunch of speeding tickets or anything like that, and your insurance rates are high, I'm going to break down to you a few things about how you can eliminate that today. How you can get your LexisNexis CLUE Report. That's where the insurance agencies go. That's where they go in order to report your stuff and find out about you. And this is how your insurance rates go up or down. And I'm going to go with you myself. You see that? Me, not a client, nobody. I had some incidents. Wasn't really me, but it wasn't really me. It was my wife, but don't tell her I told you. Had some accidents. Insurance went high. So, me knowing the laws that protect you, the laws that Congress put in place for you, but you keep letting people tell you that everything is stacked up against you. Stop listening to them people. This is all you have to do. You order your LexisNexis CLUE Report. You want me to give you a visual of that? LexisNexis. Let me give you a visual, right? Order your report online. That's it. Order it. Boom. Order your LexisNexis report and make sure you ask for request of description of the procedure letter. When you do it, it's going to come to you. Sometimes it'll come to you instantly. Sometimes it comes in the mail, and then you got to put like the little digits in and all that. I don't have no visual for you for that right now, but this is all you got to do. Your CLUE report is going to be with it. Let them know you want that CLUE report. Matter of fact, I sent mine in by mail. Let them know that I wanted my LexisNexis CLUE report. I do not have an example of the report. It's way too long. I was going to have to block out way too much stuff. I started not to even give you my name right here. But anyway, check it out. Check it out. Let's get this stuff deleted, right? Boom. Check it out. It's by me, right? They got my complaint. I sent it through the CFPB. They got it on 6/8. And I dispute the alleged inaccurate reporting of addresses, names, employers, inquiries, date of birth, phone, claims, and policies listed on the file. Now, they said in response to my claim of identity theft, you got to pay attention to this. I didn't say that identity theft in the way that you think, oh, I didn't do it. And I didn't say that. Check it out. They mailed an identity theft packet to me for additional reference. I ignored that. You don't just mail me what you want to mail me. I'm in control. I'm the consumer, and Congress has put laws in place to protect me. So it say, I believe that LexisNexis committed identity theft and asserts that you have provided information without my consent. And it's not correct. Yes, that's what I assert. You're stealing my identity. I don't know you, LexisNexis. I didn't tell you to be reporting nothing on me, right? I have a right to privacy, right? There are laws that say you can't do this. LexisNexis will flip things and say they're not a credit reporting agency. Well, then you're a data furnisher then. And if you're a data furnisher, that means you're a third party data furnisher, because the data furnisher has to be the person who you contracted with, meaning that Bank of America or Chase or whatever, they're data furnishers, but you got a direct contract with them. Then of course you're always going to break them contracts down. But I have no direct contract with LexisNexis. You are holding my information. I ain't give you permission to be holding stuff on me. I don't know you. Stealing my identity. Who are you? Right? So look, notice what they said. Mr. Branch believes that LexisNexis is committing identity theft and asserts that we have provided information without his consent. They said that is not correct, right? That's what they said. That is not correct. We value the security and privacy of consumer data and only share consumer information with a third party when there's a permissible purpose. What is the permissible purpose? They're sharing it with a third party when it's a permissible purpose. That's what they're telling you, right? But what was the permissible purpose for LexisNexis having my stuff in the first place? I don't know them. I ain't did a LexisNexis nothing. So what do they mean when there's a permissible purpose? So check it out. In an effort to resolve Mr. Branch's concerns, they initiated a dispute, and that investigation was resolved on 7/3. What's the day? The 8th? A few days ago, right? LexisNexis located and removed the following records. All these addresses that I told them to remove, my name, those employer records that I told them to remove, my phone numbers I told them to remove, inquiries. These are inquiries from when I tried to get insurance or whatever. LexisNexis is the 4th biggest credit reporting agency. They're the 4th biggest. So always remember that. So, and my claims records. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told y'all that all. That wasn't me. That was my wife. But they deleted all claims records. Now, when I go and apply for insurance again, And I'm still gonna have to go do this for my wife because we're kind of together. Pretty sure this same stuff is on hers. I just wanted to do mine first because this is manual work. It's a lot of copy and pasting. It is a lot of work. So 5 claims records gone. Now they say they located and verified the following, which is just my name. I can see what this is. That's just my name and a couple of addresses of mine and 1 current policy record, not a claim record, a policy record. And they kept that there. And then they say they didn't locate something else, these addresses that were on my report already. So permissible purpose. Let's go to it. Let's get it. I'm going to take y'all to school. Get out your pen and paper. Hey, look, consumer reporting agency may furnish a consumer report under the following circumstances. And this is the key word. No other. In response to a court order, you already know that. I ain't even going to talk about that. In accordance with the written instructions of the consumer to whom it relates. I ain't get no written instructions for LexisNexis to report nothing on me. So where's their permissible purpose? See, they're going to respond a certain way. Don't let them play on your top. You got to read through the BS, right? The term consumer means an individual. That's me. I am the consumer, right? It also say intends to use the information in connection with a credit transaction involving a consumer on whom the information be furnished and involving extension of credit or to review a collection of an account of the consumer or employment purposes, connection with underwriting of insurance involving the consumer. But look what it says. In accordance with me. So yeah, it's for insurance, right? But it's involving me. I have to give them permission. They're storing it. And LexisNexis will even tell you they're not a consumer reporting agency. So that's why it's important to read what they're responding to you and understand it. It's important to read it and understand it. So let me go. First of all, written instructions. I ain't get them I didn't tell you can do this. So these are some of the other reasons that they can do it. Request by a state, local, for child support enforcement agency. So these are some of the reasons they can do permissible purpose. But you still have to get in here and break this stuff down and understand it. Always click on these things. Find out who a consumer is, an individual. You have to know what they mean when they say that. What's a consumer reporting agency? A consumer report described in section 1681 of this title. I'm not about to go over there and go all this and show you all that. But the point of this is that consumer reporting agencies, what we call credit bureaus. They're not credit bureaus. They're consumer reporting agencies. They use that name bureau to sound big and bad. There's only one credit bureau, and that's the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. I'm going there this week, by the way. I'm gonna get some pictures. I don't know. I want to see if I can interview somebody while I'm there, but I will be going there this week. It's in Washington, D.C. That's the only bureau. These are consumer reporting agencies. If you want to know more about this, I do have a school group coming out. I'm going to be showing all about how to do this stuff. And it's going to be at a cheap price. The link going to be down here in that description if you want to sign up. But if you like content like this, you want more like this, just comment down there and tell me what you want to see. Follow, subscribe. Let's get it.